FedEx just dropped off this very special gift from Google that I could not be more excited to unbox today. Thank you, Google, for sending this out. It is much appreciated to be a new member of Team Pixel. Let's dive right into the box and see what's inside. Slicing into this rather large box, the anticipation is at an all-time high. Inside, we have some gift wrapping. Feels like my birthday or Christmas came early. Thanks again, Google. Digging through the wrapping, we have a few contents, but first the card, noting Google is very excited to share these products with us, and a bit of embargo notice. Setting that aside, we have a very nice bag to the right with some contents that we'll just set aside for a second as we lift the larger box to discard all the shipping materials. And it is certainly a large box, very premium, nicely done. Inside that bag that I noted, we're going to have the box for the Pixel 7 Pro, and then we're also going to have the box, it looks like, for the Pixel Watch, the LTE version, which I'm very excited to get this set up and to get testing right away. Here is that packaging, but opening up that premium box, what do we have inside? Well, another card that we'll quickly take a glance at. This card is going to note a few details regarding the devices, and again, hoping that we enjoy the devices that are inside, which inside, we have that Pixel 7 Pro in Hazel, and we also have that LTE Pixel Watch. Starting with that LTE Pixel Watch, looking all around this device, it looks incredible. I am very impressed with this in person. It has me even more excited to get this on and test this out. I have to say it looks excellent. Now, looking at the stunning, stunning hazel color, yes, I absolutely love this colorway. Super excited they sent me this colorway. It looks incredible looking all around the device. Really nice to see that SIM tray, Google, so that way I don't have to worry about eSIM and transferring and activating, etc. eSIM is included in here, but it's nice to see that SIM tray as well. Looking at this Pixel 7 Pro, I cannot wait to get this booted up, set up this watch, and get going. I have to say, in the hand, it feels light, feels solid, and I do like that there's less curve on this one in comparison to last year's Pixel 6 Pro. It just feels so solid in the hand. I have to say, right away out of the box, I'm very impressed. Turning it on, booting up the 7 Pro for the first time. It's booting up quite quickly. One thing I want to note are the specs for the 7 Pro. So the 7 Pro has a 6.7-inch 120 Hz LTPO display, a 5,000 milliamp hour battery, 128 gigabytes, 256 gigabytes, and 512 gigabyte storage options with 12 gigabytes of LDDR5 RAM inside. Now, as far as the build and design, as I said, it is slightly curved this year, not as curved as the 6 Pro, and feels awesome in the hand. Now moving over to the Pixel Watch. The Pixel Watch is very light at 36 grams, 1.27 ounces, has a glass front, Gorilla Glass 5 specifically, and a stainless steel frame. It has eSIM, of course, for LTE, and it's going to have a 294 milliamp hour battery that I'm very curious to see if it lasts that full 24-hour period, as Google stated. Now, interestingly enough, there's actually 32 gigabytes of onboard storage as well as 2 gigabytes of RAM. Now, as far as this band, it does feel very comfortable. It feels very solid on my wrist. Again, this watch looks stunning in person. I'm very impressed with the overall look of this watch and the overall feel. It's very light. No issues whatsoever, I think, as far as comfort. I think you'll be very comfortable wearing this watch with various wrist sizes. Now, in terms of the watch, I'm very excited to see how the Fitbit integration is versus Google Fit and all the other applications that Google has packed with this watch. Especially very curious to see how this heart rate tracking is going to compare to other smartwatches. So definitely subscribe for more content coming soon on not just the Pixel Watch here, but also the Pixel 7 Pro, as I will be doing some deep dives into both of these devices and doing some long-term reviews. Now, overall, again, very impressed with both of these. Super excited to dive into them, but first I want to show you what's in the boxes. Shout out to, again, Team Pixel. Opening up that Pixel 7 Pro box, we have some of your standard stuff like USB-C cable, your data transfer tool, and then you're going to have some documentation along with your SIM ejector tool up there in the top. So that's what you're going to get in the Pixel 7 Pro packaging if you're wondering what's inside that box. Now, moving over to the Google Pixel Watch packaging, you're going to be greeted with that charger, and then underneath that, you're going to find some documentation. There is an extra band inside the packaging, which is very nice to see. Nice touch, Google, for adding that. And here is that USB-C charger for the Pixel Watch. It looks very sleek. It's magnetic, pretty straightforward. Looking forward to getting this charged up and set up. in the box, you're going to also have that material for reading, which we're going to just toss aside. Again, both of the packages here for these devices, if you were curious of what's inside those boxes, definitely go out and order your Pixel 7 and 7 Pro now, as well as your Pixel Watch. I have some links down below in the description if you're looking to place your order and pre-order before the end of this week. Looking all around the Pixel 7 Pro, though, I am absolutely loving this hazel color. The accents here around the side just look so good in the hand. I don't know if I'm going to want to use a case for this. It just looks and feels so excellent in the hand. Let me know your thoughts, though, in the comments down below on both the Pixel 7 Pro and the Pixel Watch. I really can't wait to dive in and test these. I've been looking forward to these ever since they hinted at these back at the Google I/O when we still had the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro and the 6a that came shortly after. It was very interesting to see these kind of shared prior to, and the anticipation has just been growing and growing month over month, and I'm even more excited now to be a part of Team Pixel. Very much appreciated, Google. Thank you for sending this out, and I can't wait to test these in more detail. Again, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Hit that like button. Thank you for watching. Take care and stay safe.